Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about a world-famous fashion house known for elegance, luxury, and timeless style, Dior. But are you saying it the right way? Let's find out. So, how do you pronounce it? The correct way to say it is Dior. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is D, like the letter D. And the second part is or, like the word or, but slightly rounded in a French accent. Now say it with me. Dior. One more time. Dior. Great job. So where does the name Dior come from? It's the last name of Christian Dior, the legendary French fashion designer who founded the brand in 1946. Dior revolutionized fashion with the new look, bringing elegance and femininity back after World War II. Fun fact, Dior isn't just about fashion. The brand is also famous for luxury perfumes, with its first fragrance, Miss Dior, named after Christian Dior's sister. Many people say Dior, but now you know the correct way, Dior. Now, the next time you talk about high fashion or luxury fragrances, you can say it like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fashion. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.